episode of Woodmere Estate Revival. Today we're starting out with a little tree trimming. The painter was nice enough to let us use his skylift, and so we got up and took some of the suckers out of the poplar tree and a couple of branches that were getting close to the roof. So we decided to go ahead and get those off, keep the squirrels off the roof, and lessen the likelihood of shingle damage if something were to fall on the roof. We got that taken care of, so now we're going to put the lift away and head inside and get some work done. How do you like being that high in the air? That doesn't bother me. I've been higher.
You have been.
We had that 50-foot lift there for a while.
That's true. I forgot about that one.
It was more wobbly.
Yeah. All right, well, come down and let's get to work.
All right, so I moved into the powder room to get some more outlets and switches done. Just got this GFCI outlet taken care of here, and just put a couple of these decorator or paddle switches on our main light here and our wall light there. So I got those on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the box extenders installed, because for whatever reason the box is set back in the wall about half inch, something like that. So I gotta put a couple of these extenders on there, and I'll be able to go ahead and get those switches mounted, get the switch plate on. And that just leaves me with one more outlet in here, and that's gonna take care of the bathroom. Amber's been working outside. We got her set up over there. She's been painting spindles. And Stephanie and Lawrence are here giving us a hand with the baseboard and the shoe molding in the upstairs bedrooms and the upstairs hall. So Stephanie's on the saw, getting that done. Lawrence is upstairs getting that stuff nailed down. Amber's been over there painting. So we're making some good progress today. I'm gonna go ahead and get these knocked out and then probably move upstairs and take care of some more outlets and switches, probably in the guest room next. All right, so we got the outlets, outlet covers, switches, switch cover, all that good stuff. Hooked up, ready to go. What do you think, honey?
I think it took you too long. No, I'm kidding. It didn't.
So now we're getting ready to work on what?
The blinds.
You ready to say goodbye to your foam curtains?
Yes.
They're pretty awesome until you slam the door and the wind blows them out of the windowsill.
The only thing, I mean, they worked, so.
Yeah.
In a pinch.
In a pinch. Give you a little privacy.
A little bit.
All right. So we're going to get these snazzy mounting brackets bolted up to the top of the wind frame there. And we'll drop our blinds in and be done in what, 5-10 minutes?
20 max.
All right, let's see what it looks like. You ready?
Yep.
All right, there we go. See Stephanie out there working away. Lawrence has got her at the cutting table again. But the blinds look awesome. What do you think, honey?
They look great.
All right, let's test out this privacy.
Yeah.
Oops, wrong direction. Oh.
Now we can go to the bathroom in peace.
Better than styrofoam any day, huh?
Totally.
Complete, total privacy. Looks really good.
It does. We did good measuring.
We did. Yeah, I think those look nice. Mm-hmm. Another touch of class to the room.
It's almost finished.
Almost. Need some shoe mold and what else?
Yes, shoe mold, and then I need to order a mirror and at least one light, but maybe two.
Maybe getting rid of our light?
I don't know. I either gotta find something to match it or complement it, or just find two new ones, and I can use that at another place. So we'll see.
Okay. All right, well, we're done here for now, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I just got the fan light switch finished in Grant's room. Had to talk to the electrician before I figured that one out. Turned out I needed to use the jumper wire from the outlet to power the switch, and then there were the black wire, the red wire, and the white wire. The neutral had to go back to the outlet where I brought the jumper over from, and then we had the red and the black going up to the fan and the light. So, should work. I'm gonna go down and hit the breaker, find out. All right, let's see if we got light. Nice. Fan. Cool. It's one of those can fans. Ta-da. All right, excellent. Works, no shorts, no surprises. That's the way I like it. All right, we're making some good progress. Found a couple other outlets to knock out here in Grant's room. So I just got the wires pulled out, stripped back, getting ready to get these, get the outlet hooked up and cover plate on. I think that's the last one. What do you think, babe? Is that the last one?
I think so. For
Nice.
this room.
And then maybe we'll put up a couple of lights on the wall.
Yes. And the one in the ceiling.
Nice. So there's more to do. Is that what you're telling me?
Always.
Quit filming and get back to work? All right. So I'm going to get this thing hooked up and then we'll keep cruising. All right, we did the outlets and switches and all that stuff in Reed's bathroom, and now we're moving on to blinds again. We've got another styrofoam curtain in here. Looking forward to getting rid of that. And so we're going to go ahead and get our brackets up there. They're just like the ones that went up downstairs. That little guy right there. And that will go right there. Get screwed into the frame of the window. And this little door closes around the back of the blind, holds everything securely. And then you put the valance up, which covers all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get the brackets bolted in place and get the blinds on.
All right. Another one's going up.
Ready to put the valance on.
Mm-hmm.
They have these little interlocking brackets.
Clips.
Little tabs that hang down off of it.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of gotta get everything lined up here. How's that?
That looks good.
Time to unveil.
Mm-hmm. Dun, da, 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 da.
Time to knot.
Mm-hmm. So we bought 3 of these blinds just to see if we like them. We didn't want to buy for the whole house without really knowing how they were going to look. Ooh. Pretty good. Oh, that's awesome. Those are pretty.
Privacy.
It's most important. Yay!
Looks awesome.
It does look good. So my one little boo-boo, or maybe it's not so much of a boo-boo, but you can actually get this valance so that it has a return on it to cover this up. And I didn't think I was going to need that, but I think I do now that I see them. So I think I'll probably order those. If we put a curtain valance up, you see it, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see what we decide to do as far as a window treatment. But
worst case scenario, we can reorder the valance with returns.
Yeah, it's either reorder the valance with returns or put up a curtain valance. So no biggie, I don't think.
No, looks great.
Good hanging.
Thanks.
Now to Reed's.
Now the Reeds.
All right, so we moved into Reed's room and we're going to get up his blind. Chris is marking the holes for the bracket right now. And then he's going to pre-drill the holes.
A smidge.
Just a little bit. And then what, did they give you screws?
Yeah, we got these screws here. They've got a nice hex head on them, which is great because you can use them with your impact driver.
Okay.
Because Phillips screwdriver and these types of brackets are famous for stripping.
Not good.
No. Because you got to put some pretty good torque on these.
Mm-hmm.
bracket's holding the whole thing up, so. Get my finger out of there. I've put these up in the days before impacts with a screwdriver. Not fun.
You mean like a one that you do by hand, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that way.
Not fun.
No.
Takes forever. And we'll just repeat the same process here.
I think this completes Reed's bathroom.
Like done?
I think.
Wow.
I can't see anything else that really needs done other than, you know, maybe I was thinking about getting him a new rug and, you know, decorative stuff, but.
That's huge.
I know.
We've got a room.
One.
Almost finished.
All right, bracket 2.
All right.
Good job. Let's see how fast we can do this. We just are hitting the 3-minute mark right now. Actually, you probably need my help to speed it up, huh? Get the styrofoam. Oh, there's the styrofoam piece. That styrofoam piece. So in Reed's bathroom, we did a little bit different. We picked the white blinds with the gray fabric covers. I think it's cool.
It is cool. You'll like it.
Yeah, this is on the back of our house, so we could, you know, pick a little more color back here. You're not really going to see it, yeah. It's up on the 2nd story, so it's not going to interfere with the look of the front of the house. Cool.
Nice.
Now you're going to mark the valance.
Mm-hmm.
And again, on this window, we may have to order the wraparound valance with returns.
I'm putting a little pencil mark there just to give me an idea
Where to put the...
where the clips go on the back of that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Because they don't slide.
No, you have to twist them. Put them in the groove and twist.
A little wing on the back there.
Good job.
Thanks. Markings will get us in the ballpark.
Mm-hmm.
And the ones on top of the blind do slide a little bit.
Yeah.
So if you gotta make an adjustment, you can, but at least you're close. It's got it though.
I think you did. Wow, good job, honey. And we just passed 6 minutes.
Not bad. Let's see what it looks like.
Woohoo! Oh, I love it.
I think Reed will like the gray.
I like the gray. Well, that's super cool. Oh, that's cool too. I like it.
Very fun.
It is. Great for a boy.
Yeah, for sure. All right, let's
All
put
right.
it in styrofoam.
Hey, we had to use what we had.
It worked.
It did.
Served
This
the purpose.
is really cool. Good job.
Thanks. You too.